Yes, already the last video about testing Windows, I tried all the Windows versions, so you can see it in the playlist I put in the description. And today the last but not least, the Windows 10 operating system. So I'm curious, and yeah, I'm not curious because I already use it, but let's check it. Windows 10 is a series of operating system released by Microsoft. Okay, it's the successor of Windows 8.1 that is released in 2013, and this is released on July 29, 2015, so that's 5 years of this operating system. It is released for manufacturing on July 15, 2015, so that's 42 weeks before the official general availability. But yeah, that's a short time in comparing with the other operating systems. The extended support is until January 9, 2029, so that's a long time. So I think I already have made a video then. It is the first Windows that release major updates every half year. There are new features for the future. Most of the nowadays PC users uses Windows 10. So this is the most used Windows operating system. Because Windows 10 had released every half year new updates. It's just an oversight of which versions that are released of Windows 10, and the last release is this year December of the most recent release. You can see in the name in which date, month, year it is released. So like for example 57 2015 July. How they started Windows 10. Now, the code name Threshold was revealed. It was just like a project that became after the Windows 8, because Windows 8 was a little bit bad with tile structure that people don't get used to it. So they started development of Windows Threshold. It took a step backwards of that Windows 8 start menu. They wanted to bring the start menu back from Windows 7 because it is really easy to use, and most people complained about that tile structure. Because it is a threshold, the name is crossing boundaries according to the code name. They haven't called it Windows 9 because Windows 9 is not that threshold, so they call it Windows 10. And some technical reasons, I don't know. Just like the figures of Windows 10 did it better than Windows 9. The first editions of Windows 10, so the technical preview of Windows 10, are released in late 2014. Builds of Windows 10 are released before the release of general release in 2015. It was a real fast process, and it was really easy to upgrade your Windows 8 system to Windows 10. But I saw when I bought a laptop in 2015, you can automatically upgrade it to Windows 10. It was really easy, so no issues with that. Now it had a new appearance, as I said, like a basic one. The start menu is back, so it's really oversight and better developed. And there are also new buttons on the taskbar, task view, so you can see your task. The charms bar is gone because people didn't get used to it, and they bring it back to the start menu. Windows 10 is better for gamers. The programs are refreshed, so not some unnecessary programs like Windows 8. It's all upgraded and better on Windows 10. Better improved security, so you have a PIN code, lock screen. Also a new kind of Internet Explorer release. It's called Microsoft Edge, and that's the successor of Windows on the Internet Explorer. Windows 10 had also more connection with Xbox, so there's also a new Xbox releasing the next month, and they got a better connection with Windows 10. And you also have the dark mode, which is really, I think it's really fine, and I like it a lot. What are the system requirements? You need a memory of 2 GB and they recommended 4 GB. The processor is Intel Architecture 32. The display is recommended 800 by 600 pixels. The storage of your computer must at least 32 gigabytes on your disk. Other devices that are really easy, yeah, I think the keyboard and the mouse is also always required. What is also easy, fingerprint reader, microphone and integrated webcam. That's mostly on the laptops. What do people think of Windows 10? Well, it is, yeah, most use Windows operating system, so you know that this operating system is really popular now. It is named as a new Windows 7. You know, Windows 7 was a really great operating system. It is more familiar in the user interface, so people get used to it. And yeah, I think it is also easy for performance and stability. Is Windows 10 just perfect? It is only not easy for tablet users because they remove the tile menu. I think that less people bother that. There are also for advertising companies also more ability to advertise in the operating system. It is a really good operating system and I'm gonna use it. It is easy to install because I already have it. So let's go to the computer. Okay, we are on the operating system right now on Windows 10. What's really easy for use on Windows 10 is that the start button is back and with the start menu, and I like, yeah, it is all overviewed and oversight, and you can get into your files really fast and get in your applications. Yeah, you can see all the devices and files you are using, and also your most recent files, which is also a good function on Windows 10. Windows 10 itself has a taskbar, which is also really easy for you. So yeah, if you're searching for some MP3 files, yeah, you can also, oh, you see when I type in MP3, and you can also open up, and it is all in the start menu, and you can also search it up in the web, in your documents, in your apps, and you can also search in your settings. But yeah, and you see here the task view, so you can see all your tasks what you're currently using right now, and yeah, all the tasks you used in the history. So the task view is if you want to open up something you closed unacceptably, you can just enter that like this. Yeah, that is really nice. You have also a button, it's like the Microsoft Store. You can also download apps on it, but I never downloaded something at the Microsoft Store. I don't know if some viewers of me does that as well, but I do not, because yeah, I just download applications on the internet. Okay, let's go into some applications that are delivered at Windows 10. Yeah, something like the calculator. Yeah, it is also in the Windows 10 style, and you can count things and calculate things. The calendar, I never used it, but it is really nice to use when you have a mailbox and you can plan things. You can choose a time, location. Yeah, let's go to London. You have also films and TV. I personally think this application is a very good. What you also got is the camera. Now yeah, my camera is over here, my webcam, but yeah, it is not so good as my mobile, so I'm filming with the mobile.
Yeah, the get help, I never used it. I think it's for all the people that doesn't know how to use this program. I never used a get help because yeah, I know how Windows works, and just like a virtual assistant like Siri or something like that. You want to bring that future functions in the operating system. Also, you have an application where you can use your maps, but yeah, I don't think I use this application apart. I just use it on the internet. You have Microsoft Edge as a new kind of Internet Explorer, and I personally think this is a really good browser, but I don't use it. I use Google Chrome. But Windows and Microsoft Edge is also, yeah, it's not so detailed as Internet Explorer. I don't know if I have Internet Explorer. If you see the difference between Internet Explorer and Microsoft Edge, I prefer Microsoft Edge. Yeah, you have your OneDrive you want to bring it back, yeah, more. OneDrive is like the SkyDrive, so you can save your files online, so you never lose them if your hard disk crashes. You have Paint 3D, so there's a new kind of Paint. You don't have Paint. Yeah, you have Paint, the old style of Windows 10, but they don't update them. But you have also Paint 3D, where you can, yeah, also create 3D shapes. But I don't think a lot of people use this. The settings are not so detailed as it is, because yeah, as Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. I don't know, I never used it, but it's more likely to do this. You also have Netflix, so you can just watch movies and series, yeah, just on your computer screen. Skype is also automatically download on your Windows 10 screen. I don't use Skype because yeah, we have already Teams, and Teams is also from Microsoft. So I think Skype is more with friends, and yeah, just friends and individually. Also have your settings. Your settings is also really easy for use, but I prefer do the control panel because yeah, I like the icons, and you can just go to your settings that you want. You can search something really fast, and here is it just also yeah, just to subject, you can just adjust your settings. But yeah, I think the settings are too basic, and the appearance like that is just too basic. We have tips. I don't know what that is. Oh, this is just a way to learn how to use Windows 10. Video editor, a simple movie maker, where you can just add some files on it, not so detailed, just like the movie maker itself, but basic design. Then you have also the weather, so you can see your weather forecast of your hometown. And you can also go to your phone if you connect your phone to Microsoft Windows. Well, this is really strange. If you push here iPhone and you see Apple and Windows usage, and that is not a good combination, I think. And you have also the Xbox applications. You can connect your Xbox to the operating system, and you can see the performance, and you can also record something of the Xbox. You can also see which applications the Xbox have. Okay, this is Windows 10. I think it's a really nice operating system. I think I just use it. I love to use this operating system very much. And I hope to see a new kind of operating system soon. But it must be, I don't know, kind of like of Windows 10. But what I don't like of Windows 10 is just the too basic design. And yeah, as you see in the settings, the graphical user interface is a little bit down, but yeah, I can live with that. Maybe it has some rest in the appearance if you do a basic design. So this was the last testing operating system of the whole versions of Windows, Microsoft Windows. So yeah, thank you for watching to this series. I hope to see you soon with a new series. I think, yes. So thank you for watching and goodbye.